Caroline Helena Armington was born on September 11, 1875, died 1939, was a Canadian-born artist. Armington worked in a number of mediums including a large body of etchings. Her main practice consisted of painting and printmaking. In addition to being an artist, she also trained at Guelph General Hospital as a nurse. From 1892 to 1899 she took art studies under J.W.L. Forster. She traveled to New York in 1899, where she worked as a nurse. The following year she sailed to Europe and married Frank Armington. She moved back to Canada during 1901. From 1905 to 1910, the couple returned to study in Paris at the Académie de la Grande Chaumière and Académie Julian. In 1908, Caroline's painting Paysanne Hollandaise was accepted at the Salon des Artistes Francais annual exhibition, held at the Grand Palais, Paris.